Kite power, they are not just children's toys, they may solve our energy problems. The quest for new clean energy sources has occupied the attention of scientists and politicians for years. One common resource for green energy is the wind. A new twist on this old resource could cause the energy output of wind power plants to soar. Standard wind power plants rely on rigid support and generally can only reach a height of 200 meters or so. Higher than that, winds tend to be stronger and more consistent, but the challenge is figuring out how to harness the energy from those winds. Delft University of Technology in the Netherlands and Karlsruhe University of Applied Sciences in Germany has formed a kite power research group. The group is working to develop kites with inflatable wings connected to electrical generators on the ground. The research group's goal is to design a kite that can operate on its own for 24 hours. Research has begun, but many challenges remain, including making the generators more efficient and perfecting the automatic flight control and the structure of the kites. Nevertheless, in June 2012, they demonstrated that their kites could operate automatically at an altitude of up to 700 meters. Meanwhile, in Italy, researchers are working on a similar power generator that relies on kites. When the generator called Tigen senses the wind blowing, kites are released from the ends of poles with high-resistance cables to control their height and angle. The cables are able to move the kites if the system senses incoming objects such as planes, helicopters, and even individual birds. The kites themselves are light, tough, and able to reach fairly high altitudes. They loop around in the wind, which set the core of the generator in motion, producing electric current. Kaizen has the potential to be very cost-effective in the long run. After the initial cost of designing and setting up the plant, little additional investment will be necessary, apart from standard maintenance. The plant also requires relatively little space, which makes it ideal for cities and means that multiple plants can be set up to provide more energy. Kite power has the potential to be greatly improved on current wind power strategies. In the future, it may be an efficient, cost-effective supplement to the other sources of energy we use, or even a replacement for some of them.
好。